Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Hammer Co earbuds. So I am going to show you how to do factory reset for these earbuds. So I am keeping this box separately. So this is the earbud. So if you face any problem like it is not pairing to your smart device or it is not connecting to each other, in that case you can try to do factory reset. After doing the factory reset, it will be like after buying the product, when you open the box, at that time it will be in the factory settings. So it will go back to factory settings after doing the factory reset. So that is the advantage of doing factory reset. Even if it hangs, in that case also you can do factory reset. So I am going to show you the first step how to do factory reset. So first of all we have to take our smart device. Here you can see Hammer Co is already paired, but it is not connected to the Bluetooth of this device. I'm just clicking this arrow mark here. So I'm just clicking the unpair button. So the device is unpaired. So I'm just turning off the Bluetooth here. Now you have to take this case here and open the case and take the earbuds out, both earbuds, and you have to hold it like this. You can see here. So now this is in pairing mode. So what we have to do is like there is a hammer written here. Both earbuds we have to hold it at the same time for long press. Both earbuds will blink red light. In that case the factory reset is done. Like now I am going to press the button here, the CTC button, holding like this. You can notice the, you can see both sides, it is turned off now. So after turned off, you have to put this in the case here, back to its case, and we have to close the case. Now after few seconds we can open and take out, and it is ready to pair. So this is the basic steps of factory reset. So this is the way to do factory reset. So now you can turn on the Bluetooth and you can see Hammer Co is listed here in the device, available devices. So it is trying to pair here. So it is asking for the permission. Just clicking the pair button. Now it is connected. Now it will work perfectly. I'm going to play a song here. I'm going to use my studio mic too. So alright, this is the basic steps, important steps to follow to do factory reset for this Hammer Co earbuds. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.